Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, learn how to string up the posture sling and a few other things on the path of least resistance. Keep your gear near when you're not using it, so you're not losing it. The sarong, wrap both leashes around your waist, clip the hardware to the webbing, and pull the handles to cinch snug. How can something sarong feel so right? The bandolier, clip the clips to their own handles, throw one over each shoulder, Rambo style. The tight wound round, hold the clips together and wrap the webbing smoothly around the middle of the hardware. Then twist the back of the clips to maximize density and minimize size. And of course, the hot mess. Finally, the posture sling. Flatten each leash handle and feed through the slot on the back of its own clip. Clip the hardware together, grab the handles, then put your hands through the corresponding loops. Swing the hardware over your head and center between your shoulder blades. Pull the handles outward to pull your shoulders back. Instant replay, slip, clip, grip, flip, then zip. Check your equipment before every workout. Constantly practice better posture and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. Don't just carry your straps, let your straps carry you with the posture sling on the path of least resistance. Thanks for watching. Had to reboot the subscribe button. There. Try it now, see if that works. If it doesn't, just jiggle it a little bit.